Hello everyone, welcome to Coder. In this tutorial, we are going to explore Golang packages, how can you create it and use them in Go source files. Before we get started, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos on programming tips, tutorials and more. Alright, let's jump right in. Golang packages typically refers the package in Go programming language. Now what is package? Package is nothing but a collection of one or more Go source files that are stored in a directory. These Go source files can be imported in other Go programs to use their functionalities. This is an official page of Go packages where you can search for any package. Suppose I search for net and here I can see multiple packages that provides the network IO TCP IP functionalities. So these packages we can import our program. There is another page we have for the standard libraries. So these all the packages Golang provides that you can simply import in your program and use their functionality. Here we can see HTML, math, FMT that we use in almost every Go program and some others. Now, if you have gone through our previous Go programming videos, you must have seen that every Go program starts with package main. What does it says that this particular Go file is a part of main package. If we are saying import FMT, that means we are importing the FMT package, and here we can see that we are using a functionality of FMT package. We are using the println function that actually belongs to FMT package. Since we have defined this file in main package, the entry point of this file will be main function. Now how can we create our own packages? Within this directory, I am creating a folder, my package, and within this my package, I'll create one file, mypackage.go. Now since mypackage.go is a part of my package, first of all I'll write it as package my package. That defines that this file is a part of package my package. Now I am importing a standard library, import fmt, and then I'll create one function intro. Here I will print one line fmt.println. I am from my package and will save this. Now in this package.go, I will import my custom package that belongs to my package directory, and the Go source file I want to access is mypackage.go. So I'll define the file name as mypackage. Now after this line, I will call the functionality of my package, that is the intro function. So mypackage.intro I'll call here. Let's run this code. So here I am getting an error that package is not in this particular directory. So it is looking my package in this directory. And what is this directory? This is a value of go path variable where it looks for any package whenever we used any package in our Go program. So why it is not finding? Because I have created my Go project outside of this Go path. Go path is the C drive and I have created Go project outside of the C drive in D. So whenever you are trying to create the project outside of the Go path, you will be getting this error. Now how can we resolve it? We have to create a module file, go.mod file we have to create. So if I am creating go.mod file within my project directory, it signifies that within this project I am going to use any module that doesn't belongs to the Go path. So this is my old files. I'll delete it first. This go.sum as well. Now within this directory, I'll create a module file. How can we create this? Go mod init, and the module name I am giving, that is my package. Here we can see it is created, and that says that module my package we can import here. Now I will rerun my code. So basically now we are getting a different error, but it is able to find the package. Now it's saying my package.intro, no value used as value. So okay, because in intro function I'm just trying to print something, and here I have used it as fmt.println, so it will work if I am going to return any value from this intro function. So I'll remove this line and we will rerun the code. Now it's fine, erratic coder, and I am from my package. So in this way you can create multiple Go files here within this package, and you can import those packages in your file, in your source code. Now there is one thing to remember, that only exported identifiers you can import in your file. What is the exported identifier? So we have two categories. One is the exported and another is the non-exported identifiers. Non-exported identifiers always start with a small letter that can be used within this package only. But if you want to use any identifier outside of this package, as we are doing here, we have defined the identifier intro here, but we are using it in package.go. So in that case, we have to make it as an exported identifier. So what is the identification? How can we create any identifier as an exported? So exported identifier starts with capital letter. If I make it in this way, then it will become an exported identifier and I won't be able to use it here. So if I do so and I run the code, it is saying undefined package, because here I am trying to access my package.intro, but in my package we haven't defined anywhere any exported identifier. So it will not allow us. Let's make it exported, and then again we can use it. So this is the simple concept of Golang packages. In two ways you can create the package within the Go path directory or the path outside of Go path. If you are creating the package or your project belongs outside of the Go path, you will need to use module file simply as we have created here. But if you are creating the package within the Go path, within Go src package, then you don't need to create any module file. So that's all for today. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you find this video helpful. Until next time, happy coding!